So the spaghetti sauce was fabulous, and I canned 4. They're pint and a half. They're not quarts. They're pint and a half jars that I canned, and I canned 4 of those, and they're sitting in the canner right now on a natural release. And then I used the leftover to make some pizza sauce. And pizza sauce is really the same things as spaghetti sauce is. Like, it doesn't usually have beef in it or mushrooms or peppers, but I put those things on my pizza anyway. Maybe not beef, but so what I did was all I added was some fennel, and I've been having it cook on low for a while to thicken up. And we're gonna go ahead and throw together some pita pizzas, and that's what's for dinner tonight. Not familiar with Pita Pizza? I tell you, it is fabulous. I thank my friend Tracy Bird for showing me this recipe many years ago. Of course, back then I wasn't making my own pizza sauce, but yeah, so it's really quite simple. You put on your sauce on your pita. And I put the pitas curvy side up and then weight it down. I don't like them to curve up on the edges. Anyway, put about a spoonful onto each one, and then you spread it out. Now, this sauce already has tomato, onion, green pepper, mushroom, red pepper, onion, garlic, all that stuff, right? So basil and oregano and, you know, all that stuff that was in my spaghetti sauce. And then all I added was a little bit of fennel. And that's because when I was a kid, we used to always have those, I don't know if they're like Chef Boyardee or something, those pizza kits. We would have those whenever we had sleepovers at Mom's house. Or special, you know, birthdays or sleepovers or whatever. We would always be making those pizzas. And they have fennel in their spice pack. So it doesn't take much. That's, you know, three spoonfuls. So you can put whatever toppings you want to put on here. What's nice is the pita is a nice sturdy crust, but it's still relatively thin. So you can really pile on the toppings. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of pepperoni on here just because I have some. And like I said, it's already got my peppers and my onions and all that kind of stuff in it already. So I don't really need to add any of that, but I certainly could if you like to have big chunks of that here and there. But I'm just going to throw this pepperoni on there. I didn't get any pineapple reconstituted, but you could throw pineapple on here. Whatever you want on a pizza that you would put a red pizza sauce on. I know some people like a garlic sauce or something instead of a tomatoey sauce. This is mozzarella cheese it's got a little bit of cheddar in it because I grated them at the same time, or a little bit of marble. Anyway, put your cheese on. And then my final little tasty tip is to put in a little bit of Asiago cheese. Now, if you're not a fan of strong flavored cheese, you might want to leave this out, but it's very similar to a Parmesan but a little bit tangier than a Parmesan, and it just kicks the notch up on the pizza, I find. Those are going to go in the oven. This is going to continue to sit on the stove and just simmer at a very, very low speed until this cools down, because I'm also going to can this pizza sauce into, like, I don't know, 8-ounce. I think I've got some little 8-ounce jars in there that I can use, and yeah, now I have my own pizza sauce and I have my own spaghetti sauce, and yeah, we are set. Woo-hoo-hoo. 15 minutes later and dinner is ready.